Hello everyone, back on site here today. Another blockage. I've opened up the manhole already, but looks like the waste is coming from this warehouse here. It's actually a brand new build. Waste coming down that line, and it looks like the waste is getting caught against the edge of the manhole. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on here. Got the tanker with me, so I'm going to run the jetting hose through this gap and then just give it a quick jet. I'm sure it'll go quite easily, so I don't think it'll take long. For those of you that don't know, I'm just going to use a standard jetting nozzle on here. It's got the holes that face backwards, and this one has a forward facing hole as well on the nozzle, so propels itself forward. This nozzle just threads on there. Some people wonder how do they go on. So that's threaded male, that's threaded female. Put the two together, and then yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is the radio control for the tanker, for the jetting. And then to put it on, you put the jet control on there, the remote control. You put the jetting pump on, and then it will now run off the control like this. So you pop that out, switches on, press 5 and 6 to start. It's just a safety feature. And then press the on button and it goes on. Press the off button and it goes off. So I'm just going to put the nozzle on and then stick it in there and see what happens. I was just decided before I put the nozzle on, I want to just try to break it up a bit, just with the water. I don't want to wash it down and put the jet up there and have it go down in one big chunk and block up further down. So just want to try to break it up like this. Let's see what happens. Might even, there we go. Oh, we got movement. Looks like it was just backed up over there. So I'll put the jet up there now, and then we'll try to fish out whatever's gone up. You can see a turd sticking out, coming through to Turlo. I've put the nozzle on the hose, so we'll put that up. Lights, camera, action. There. Yummy. That's the end. I'll put the hose off. Want to pull it out, go up here, hose on, flush this line out just in case anything's built up in there. And that's it. These other ones there, and they're actually capped off. So it goes down there, capped off, open, open, capped off, capped off. That's pretty much it for this. Thought it was going to be a quick one, which it was. And I'll just wind the hose up. Obviously it all happens hydraulic on the hydraulic hose reel, like this. Push there, hose winds up, and then yeah, I'll get it all done. Tanker needs a wash, but I got lots of work to do today, so end of the day I'll give it a quick wash, and then yeah, I'll pull that out of there, pack up, clean up, job done. And it's been great. See you later.